Welcome to our channel. Netgear WGR614 Router Easy Installation Guide. Step 1. Unbox and check what's inside. Make sure the router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable is there in the box. If you don't have the original cable, literally any Ethernet cable will work. Step 2. Plug it into power. Take the power adapter, plug it into the router, and turn it on. The small power light should blink and then stay solid. If it doesn't, unplug it and try a different outlet. Step 3. Connect it to your modem. Grab the Ethernet cable and plug one end into your modem, the other end into the Internet WAN port on the router. It's usually colored yellow or marked differently from the rest. Step 4. Connect your computer to the router. To set up the router, connect your computer directly to it using an Ethernet cable. Plug the cable into one of the LAN ports, usually labeled 1 to 4. You can switch to Wi-Fi afterward, but a wired connection makes the setup process simpler. Step 5. Open the router setup page. On your PC, open a browser and type 192.168.1.1. Hit enter. If one doesn't load, try the other. Step 6. Enter the login information. For these older Netgear models, the default login is username, admin and password. Step 7. Run the setup wizard. Once you're in, there's a setup wizard option right on the left menu. Click it and let it detect your internet connection. It usually figures it out automatically, unless your ISP uses manual settings, which is rare. Step 8. Change the Wi-Fi name, SSID. Now jump to wireless settings. Change the network name to something you recognize, doesn't matter what, just don't leave the old Netgear name or you'll never know if it's yours or the neighbor's network. Step 9. Set a real Wi-Fi password. This part matters. These things default to basically no protection or ancient WEP security. Change it to WPA or WPA2 if the firmware supports it. Then set your own password so your connection isn't wide open to freeloaders. Step 10. Save and reboot. Click Apply or Save, and then just reboot the router. You'll see the Wi-Fi name change on your phone or laptop. Disconnect the cable and reconnect wirelessly using your new password. Thank you for watching.